It is my chapeau. It is Sunday. Today is the day of everyday people. And tell me why we placed a same delivery day Fashion Nova order yesterday and it never came. So now me and Taylor are going to the mall because there's Fashion Nova flagship stores, and we're gonna go see if they either one have information about our products, or two have our products so we just get what we want really quick and then, you know, get our money back. Because the customer service, they don't have any live agents that you can talk to on the phone. They canceled their whole phone line and you have to literally chat with somebody. They're like, oh, they'll message you back. I've been messaging somebody since yesterday. I still haven't gotten a response. I'm so annoyed. So yeah, we're about to do that and then come home and get dressed because it's everyday people and we gotta, you know, I gotta be there. So yeah, we're gonna figure it out and we'll be back. Hello. In the mental, somebody walking by. Y'all know I don't like to vlog in public. Okay, so this is the angle. This is the angle, y'all. Okay. It is Friday. It is September 15th. It's currently 2:30. I am headed to Bev's house. I'm so excited. As y'all know, that is my home on the West Coast. I'm so blessed to be able to have homes on both sides. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm gonna go visit my mama bear and papa bear of California and my sisters. So I'm headed there now. It's a 7-hour drive, y'all. Oh, she's gone. It's a 7-hour drive, guys. But you know, I be eating up road. Y'all know my sister lived in Tampa. Well, I don't know if you know. I don't think I ever really like shared vlogs of that. Yeah, so I love a good road trip. I'm not gonna lie. Taylor's working this weekend, so she can't come. And the way that my working schedule is, this is literally one of the only like full weekends I have off. I'm gonna have to explain this to y'all. You know, I'm gonna do a whole LA travel vlog. I mean, LA like travel nursing job, because it's crazy out here. But anyways, yeah, I'm headed to Pundy Road. I have 7 hours and 4 minutes. I'm gonna get there at like 9:30. But I'm so excited. Bev is gonna be waiting for me. Y'all know my girl. And I'm just so excited to be going home. Like, I lived there for 4 months and I met Bev my very first day. And I haven't looked back. We haven't looked back. That's my girl. We locked in.
She got the white top. I want to spend my life with you. We got the sunset going down. I just want you now. Yeah. Look at the clouds, the orange, the gold. The sky is nice. I like the way the roof's gone. Way the roof's gone. She got the white top. I want to spend my life.
All right, guys, I made a pit stop to go ahead and get some gas. I'm like 200 miles away. I still have like 4 hours left, 4 hours and 18 minutes. I'm getting some food, so I'm starting to get hungry. So that's why I stopped. I was like, let me go ahead and get some food. I just really was craving French fries. I think my cycle's about to start. TMI? I don't think so. But yeah, I really wanted some Hardee's fries, and they're just so, I'm literally driving through Bakersfield right now, and like the Bakersfield adjacent, and there's nothing out here. I mean, just nothing, which is very similar to Reading. So I was just like, you know what, because I know how similar it is, I was like, the fact that there was a Hardee's and there was like multiple gas stations, I said, let me just go ahead and stop, fill up here, and then I'll be at half a tank when I get to Bev's house. You know what I mean? That way I can like peruse around town with my gals. But oh Lord, there's nothing out here, child. Woo hoo hoo. If you're thinking about taking an assignment in Bakersfield, because they always have assignments, like I see Bakersfield all the time on the websites, just know you're about to be in the middle of nowhere. Oh, is the AC mad loud? Sorry. You're about to be in the middle of nowhere. No wonder I was screaming. There's nothing. And then it's 2.5 hours from LA, but the drive is poo. So, you know, if you want to do that, and let me tell you something, because I passed like through like Pasadena and stuff to get to where I was going, and if you have to drive into LA, imagine doing that long drive and then you hit traffic. Because one thing about it, like, the traffic in LA is so bad that Google can't really tabulate your time. Like, it'll give you a estimated time and it's never right. Oh no, that's fine. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Oh, can I throw this? Can you throw this away for me? Thank you so much. On the road again, yay. Oh girl, I can't wait to eat these fries. So I got a sandwich, but I'm not that hungry, so I ordered some large fries. It's like, hold on, they started well, you know what, we don't need that much food anyways, so good for them. But I really am craving the fries, so I really am gonna eat the fries now. No, these fries, I don't like onion rings. I just don't like onion rings, which I feel like I should try them out now that I'm older, because I really love onions. Now I can really respect what they do for just food in general, you know what I mean? So I love a good onion now. But their fries taste like onions, and I love that for me. I'm like paranoid. I'm gonna, even though I've been driving the car, I don't know what it is, I'm gonna check my car, because I got a notification about my iPad not being in the vicinity. It's in the trunk, but like, why are you selling me that? You know what I'm saying? So, un momento. Okay, we're good. Anyways, I'm about to have my girl dinner, and I have a playlist that I made, and it's called Injecting Into My Veins, and it's for all of my super favorite songs, and it's sliding. All right, y'all, I don't have time to talk. The ETA is increasing. Got a blast. Bye.
I like when the sun in my head, ay. I like when the sun in my neck, ay. I like when the sun in my chest, man. I like when the sun, man. I like when the sun in my head,
Hey guys, I honestly don't know what time it is, but I've been up for like an hour and some change. I got here last night, watched Harry Potter with Belle, hung out with Bev. It's been a great time as per usual. Obviously, I'm not gonna be vlogging a whole bunch because obviously I'm kicking it with the fam and we're having a good time. So, about to go eat breakfast, but I came to come get my laptop so that way I can upload my video for tomorrow because, is this a spider? Let me, hold on, un momento. All right, that critter was really jumping. Anyways, so yeah, I came to come get my laptop so that way I can edit, well, upload, because I already finished editing it. And I need to work on my thumbnail, and I'm about to eat some breakfast. Bev is making pancakes. I'm about to eat, and I got my shoes on, so we're good to go. Alrighty guys, I will see you later. Oh, let me show you how cute my little abode is. It's not, I wish I would have filmed it last night when I came, but this mattress that I slept on is the best mattress I've ever slept on in my life. It's literally so firm, but also feels like a cloud. Like, they mastered comfort. And I'm gonna get the name of this mattress so I can purchase it for myself when I decide to get a new mattress. And hopefully by then, it'll be nice and cheap, because that's when I get my house. I'm gonna get that mattress in a king size, because yeah, I'm gonna be upgrading my life by then, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me show y'all.
I like when the sun hit my neck, ay. I like when the sun hit my chest, hit my chest. Left my heart in California now, yeah. Sundown like some Air Maxes, 97's like the year that I flew. I'm down for the week, ay. Baby girl, like where you at? Baby girl, I got you free, ay. I'll be waiting in LAX, I'm on the hillside. Let my heart in Burbank, scorched wind, wish I could stay. Cup of disposal, but make this shit last longer. Feels probably blurred like, oh well. I swear the colors richer on the side. On this side, pre-roll, got my eye rolling back to a crimson, yeah. Pre-roll got me floating, are we open, are we sloping? This lane stringing out, we in Cali soon as in and out. I don't mind that you in town, I don't mind who looking now. I like when the sun hit my head, ay. I like when the sun hit my neck, ay. I like when the sun hit my chest.
Morning, guys. No, it's not morning, it's definitely afternoon, ladies and gents. Today is September 28th. It's Thursday. It's currently 3:30. I'm about to head to Goodwill. I'm off. I just want to get out. I just want to get out the house. To be honest, you know, I've just been working, and I feel like it's just been endless. So I was off yesterday, but I kind of just like vibed it out, and today I kind of also vibed it out. I just ordered a burrito from this place that Judah put us onto, and it was so good. And yeah, I want to go. I've been wanting to thrift. You guys know I want to thrift because the only